welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I just thought I'd show you this clock that I got from CES Deals completed. So this is what they call a giraffe clock, though I call it a dinosaur. It was really nice to put together. It was loads of fun. Let me find my leftover beads, and it was this one. I've got so many packs of beads all over the place, but just to show you how many I had left. So I've still got quite a few of the white AB ones left that were classed as symbol X. We've got quite a lot of the orange, which was only in a few places. Same with the deep blue, the black, the pink, which was the darker pink in places, more of a purple really. Got quite a few of those left, and loads of the pink left. So colours wise, more than enough diamonds to complete it, and I think it looks pretty cool. So you can see the little AB diamonds. I'm not sure if they're going to show up very well on camera, but they've got sort of an iridescent coating. So I thought what we'll do is we'll see how easy this is to sort of put together. So it does say you may need to bend the handle, the parts of the clock back, but to be honest, I think these are in pretty good condition from being packed in a box. So let's have a look. So step one is, to pop in the hour hand. So that must be the one, the longer one, I would, oh hang on. No, the shorter one's the hour one. The short, fatter one. So we want this one on first, and it says to point them all to 12 o'clock. I am hoping I'm getting this right, otherwise that could be very fun. So does it go down further, or have I got it the wrong way around? No, I think we're there. And then the minute hand, let's see how well these, oh there we go. So that one definitely clicked on. So I think I need a little bit more force on the one underneath, which is now going to be fun because I've put the other one on. I'm going to see if I can get my nails underneath to get the force I need to get that down. Okay, trick, make sure it all clicks in before you put the one on above. Okay, there we go. I've got it to do it. So we've got the bottom one on and we've got the top one on. We've got them both pointing to the 12 o'clock. And then we pop in the second hand, which also sits in the top, and there is sort of a little hole for that. And let's make sure they're not touching. So I'm just bending them ever so slightly, just to make sure that they're not touching too much. Will that go down any further? Oh, it will. So I've managed to push the minute hand down a little bit further, and the second hand, there we go. Make sure that one's bent up a little bit so that I can see that they're all, I'm not sure how well the camera's picking that up as well, but so I can see that they're all not touching. So that's them all together at 12 o'clock. Is the second hand on as far as it can be? Yep, seems to be. And it would have been an idea to bring a battery. So I'm just going to tip it up, tip it to the side. It's not, none of the hands are sort of floating around everywhere, which is good. Now it did say it needs not an alkaline battery, so I'm going to go and see if I've got a battery so we can check that this is working. I'm not sure if I've got the right type, but I'm going to check. I'll be back with you in a moment. Okay, so my standard battery I found is an alkaline battery, but then I did find one that is nickel metal hydride battery. So let's give that one a go. It's not alkaline, but the idea is to check that this works. So let's pop in this battery. I hope it's got charge, I don't know. But oh, yep, it's got charge because we're ticking. Oh, we were ticking. Okay, we are ticking. Yes, we're definitely ticking. I'm like, are we ticking? Are we not ticking? But yeah, we're ticking. So, yeah, that is the Dinosaur clock. That's from CES Deals. I must say it was very nice placing these diamonds. It was quite therapeutic. It was nice to have something sturdy that I could sort of hold while placing them. Went together really, really nicely. And I like the little touches that have got the little AB diamonds as well as the jeweled diamonds. But yeah, it's definitely working. I've got the minute hand going round by the minute, so that's good. That's ticked past a minute in the time that we've been speaking. So yeah, if you want to get yourself one of these, I'll pop the link in the description below. And I just need to find somebody now who wants a pretty dinosaur clock. I'm sure my second eldest will probably pinch it off me. But anyway, there it is completed. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.